grote problemen zijn. Maar grote problemen zijn er nu ook van het geweld, de grens in Libanon.
The gunfire, some of the rounds.
Het geweld, er lijkt me geen einde aan.
Let's face it, we have become used to horrible news, blind to shocking images, and numb to terrible numbers. We developed the world's first installation that tells a narrative story using an Oculus Rift and a treadmill. The moment users step onto this installation, they step into Himan's memories and experience. What he experienced on his personal journey from Iran to the Netherlands.
Iran, my home. So safe yet unsafe.
A horrible journey through a dark world that features courtrooms.
What? Guilty? آقا من غلط کردم. من معذرت میخوام. No. I'm innocent.
Prison.
Don't look back. Never look back. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Don't look back.
Torture.
Sen Irak'a gidemezsin.
Even death. We made them experience the issue themselves to get to the true core of the issue.
My name is Himan Machmudi, and this was my story.